Think you know your 1970s muscle cars? Only true car guys can ace this challenge. 20 legendary rides, and it gets harder every round. Let's see what you've got. Number 1. Which muscle car featured this aggressive front end? A. Dodge Challenger RT. B. Chevrolet Camaro Z28. C. Ford Mustang Boss 302. D. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. And the correct answer is A. Dodge Challenger RT. Introduced in 1970, the RT version packed serious heat from the 383 Magnum to the legendary 426 Hemi. Number 2. This beast is known for the 454 LS6 engine. Name it. A. Chevrolet Nova SS. B. Chevrolet Chevelle SS. C. Pontiac GTO. D. Oldsmobile 442. And the correct answer is B. Chevrolet Chevelle SS. The 1970 SS 454 LS6 was one of the most powerful muscle cars ever made, underrated even today. Number 3. Which Ford icon rocked the 302 V8 in Trans Am racing? A. Ford Torino Cobra. B. Ford Mustang Boss 302. C. Mercury Cougar Eliminator. D. Ford Maverick Grabber. And the correct answer is B. Ford Mustang Boss 302, built to dominate the SCCA Trans Am series and built with pure Ford attitude. Number 4. Which classic muscle car had the Judge package? A. Dodge Charger. B. Plymouth GTX. C. Pontiac GTO. D. Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. And the correct answer is C. Pontiac GTO. The Judge was loud, bold, and built to rule the streets. Ram Air 3 standard. Number 5. Which Plymouth icon had the cartoon Roadrunner horn? A. Plymouth Barracuda. B. Plymouth Satellite. C. Plymouth Roadrunner. D. Dodge Super Bee. And the correct answer is C. Plymouth Roadrunner. Named after the famous cartoon, it even came with a beep beep horn straight from Warner Brothers. Number 6. Which muscle car was Dodge's weaponized family sedan? A. Dodge Charger Super Bee. B. Dodge Coronet RT. C. Dodge Dart GTS. D. Dodge Polara 500. And the correct answer is B. Dodge Coronet RT. A big bruiser with serious punch, the 440 Magnum under the hood was no joke. Number 7. Which Buick was America's luxury muscle car? A. Buick Skylark GSX. B. Buick Riviera GS. C. Buick Century Regal. D. Buick Wildcat. And the correct answer is A. Buick Skylark GSX. With 510 pound-feet of torque, the GSX was faster than most people realize. A true sleeper. Number 8. Which AMC car fought the Big Three in Trans Am racing? A. AMC Matador Machine. B. AMC AMX Javelin. C. AMC Rebel Machine. D. AMC Hornet SC360. And the correct answer is B. AMC AMX Javelin. Penske Prep Javelins even took home Trans Am championships, shocking Ford and Chevy. Number 9. Which second-generation Camaro stayed lean in '73? A. Chevrolet Camaro RS. B. Chevrolet Camaro Z28. C. Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta. D. Chevrolet Camaro LT. And the correct answer is B, Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Even with tightening emissions rules, the 73 Z28 kept the spirit of muscle alive. Number 10. Which Pontiac was a track-ready version of the Firebird? A. Pontiac Firebird Formula. B. Pontiac Firebird Esprit. C. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. D. Pontiac GTO Judge. And the correct answer is C. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. White paint, blue stripe, shaker hood, the early 70s. Trans Am scream performance. Number 11. Which Oldsmobile packed the W3455 V8 punch? A. Oldsmobile Toronado GT. B. Oldsmobile 442. C. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SX. D. Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. And the correct answer is B. Oldsmobile 442. The W30 option made it one of the nastiest muscle cars on the street. Number 12. Which Dodge was the Baby B? A. Dodge Dart Swinger. B. Dodge Dart Sport 340. C. Dodge Dart GT. D. Dodge Demon 340. And the correct answer is B. Dodge Dart Sport 340. Compact, lightweight, packing small block power. Deadly in the right hands. Number 13. Which Ford was a NASCAR favorite? A. Ford Fairlane GT. B. Ford Torino Cobra Jet. C. Ford Galaxy 500 XL. D. Ford LTD Brougham. And the correct answer is B. Ford Torino Cobra Jet. With the 429 Super Cobra Jet, the Torino was born for high-speed dominance. Number 14. Which Dodge was the last gassed for classic muscle in '74? A. Dodge Challenger Rally. B. Dodge Charger SE. C. Dodge Dart GT. D. Dodge Monaco 500. And the correct answer is A. Dodge Challenger Rally. The 1974 Challenger still had swagger, but the muscle car era was fading fast. Number 15. Which Mercury was a secret weapon in the muscle wars? A. Mercury Cyclone Spoiler. B. Mercury Cougar Eliminator. C. Mercury Montego. D. Mercury Marquis Brougham. And the correct answer is A. Mercury Cyclone Spoiler. A rare but deadly competitor, NASCAR roots and brutal street cred. Number 16. Which low-key Chevy packed the serious 396 punch? A. Chevrolet Vega GT. B. Chevrolet Malibu SS. C. Chevrolet Nova SS. D. Chevrolet Impala SS. And the correct answer is C. Chevrolet Nova SS. Small size, big block, this lightweight Chevy was a drag strip assassin. Number 17. Which AMC machine was a tribute to speed? A. AMC Gremlin X. B. AMC Matador machine. C. AMC Hornet AMX. D. AMC Pacer X. And the correct answer is B. AMC Matador machine. A rare sight today, but AMC fans know its NASCAR-tuned roots. Number 18. Which Plymouth badge sat between CUDA and Roadrunner? A. Plymouth Fury 3. B. Plymouth GTX. C. Plymouth Valiant Scamp. D. Plymouth Satellite Sebring. And the correct answer is B, Plymouth GTX. Luxury and muscle in one, the GTX offered serious performance with a touch of class. Number 19. Which Ford packed the drag pack option for the street? A. Ford Mustang Mach-1. B. Ford Torino Cobra. C. Ford Falcon GT. D. Ford Maverick Grabber. And the correct answer is B, Ford Torino Cobra. Order the right package, and you got oil coolers, 4.30 gears, and pure drag strip dominant. Number 20. Which rare Plymouth could be optioned with a Hemi? A. Plymouth Roadrunner Superbird. B. Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. C. Plymouth GTX 440. D. Plymouth Valiant Sigma. And the correct answer is A, Plymouth Roadrunner Superbird, built for NASCAR glory and unbeatable at speed thanks to its aero. So, how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you aced it, you're a certified muscle car legend. Missed a few? That's okay. Time to brush up and challenge a buddy.